guys, and welcome back to this Life with Vonnie YouTube channel. I'm coming to you today, still in lockdown in Sydney. I guess I would love to, be able to let you guys know what's been happening in the VonniMedia agency and just, different ways that we've been able to adapt to this lockdown, really be there for each other, really be there for our clients as well, and, just really trying to figure out this together. I mean, it is something that we have gone through before as a nation here in Australia, and so it is something that we were a lot more prepared for this time around. However, it does come with its highs and its lows, and so I just really wanted to touch on, I guess, a few things at the moment that have been really helpful for us in order to do the best job possible for our clients and for our team, and most importantly for ourselves as well.
Hey guys, we are shooting the teaching tools today, Dean and I, in the office. It's such a cute brand, we absolutely love it. So we're doing their TikTok content creation today. We have so far filmed one video. There are papers and papers worth of practice stamps because we want to make sure the stamp is just right. Yeah, that's what we're doing today, so we better get back to it.
Okay, so when it comes to COVID, it is one of those times where a lot of different people go into, different stages of grief, or even just, you really do hear a lot of things, kind of go around. However, the biggest thing that I wanted to make a priority here at VonniMedia and in our days is really caring for the team first and foremost. And I learned so much over the last couple of weeks of what was really helpful, and then things that maybe we learned from as well. The biggest one being is regular catch-ups with the teams. So this was something that initially we did like a couple days a week, and then I just realized that we needed so much more time together, all together as a team. So we have started to implement morning catch-ups every morning where we have a fun joke together, we talk to each other about our mornings, and we really celebrate healthy habits in people's days and really encourage people to put, healthy things in their calendar for the day, whether it's going for a walk at lunchtime or scheduling in a workout after work, or what are people doing to really win the morning, win the day.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my crib. You're just in time for our lunchtime lockdown stretch. That was nice. Always good to stretch out after a day at your desk. Yeah, so we're back in lockdown. Setup wise, I have a really good study at home where I can focus on all things of VonniMedia. Luckily, my boyfriend is a gamer, so we have a good desk set up. This is where the VonniMedia magic happens.
We have also been doing team lunches probably every second or every third day, depending on our weeks. And that's been really helpful, where we play Kahoot, we play trivia, and we hang out and we have lunch / make lunch together. And it's nothing to do with work. It's usually just like hanging out and having some good laughs together, and always some technical IT problems, which makes everyone giggle to the fullest. The second thing would be communication. So if there's one thing also that I learned is that so many people, when you are dealing with a team of our size, we are boutique, we're a team of 8, it is really important that we're figuring out the best ways to communicate with each other and to over communicate as well. When things are via text or email or even a phone call, it can be hard to see that person face to face and really see the emotion and the life brought into the sentences that they're writing. I'm really happy with the way that everyone is chatting with one another. Everyone's been really supportive as well.
Hey guys, it's Gabby from VonniMedia, just working from home, as we can see. Going through my day today, doing my tasks, replying to some emails, and then I've got in my calendar at 1 p.m. that I'm gonna go for a quick 15-minute walk around the block just to break up my day, get some fresh air, and then I'll come back and have some lunch and resume my day. So I thought I'd bring you guys with me. Let's go. Just on my walk. I've been loving these because I can smash out my podcasts that I would normally do on my commute, but obviously in lockdown I'm not commuting anywhere, so now's a good time to listen to my podcasts. For lunch I'm just gonna have some leftover curry, and I've even got some garlic naan bread. Winning.
The next thing that I've learned as well, and this is something personally for me that's really helped, and it is showing up for the day as if you were going to work. This is something that's been a game changer for me. I know the days that I would just have my hair, it's pretty short, but in somewhat of like a bun, just completely in like pretty much pajamas, which is totally okay to do. I just found that my mindset was a little bit off. So the moment that I got myself ready for the days and really showed up to be my best is when I really performed my best as well. So I would say that that is a huge one. I guess showing up to the day and having to lead in a lot of spaces, that if I'm showing up as my best, then I'm usually going to deliver a much better quality of work as well. Oh, Papa, big fox.
Welcome to my work from home day. It is Thursday today. For me to have a perfect start into my work day, my morning routine is super important. Today I went for a long run to really get my body awake and running. Then I come back, have a shower and some breakfast, dress myself warm, put the heater on and make myself a beautiful coffee. So one thing we do every single week, which is super important, is to obviously keep the clients in the loop. We give them weekly results on how their accounts have been going, give them suggestions on what they could do. But also for us as an agency, it's super important to actually check the data and look through the nitty-gritty to see what's actually going on.
The next thing would be the client care. And so with different clients, they have been impacted in different ways, particularly for people that own a physical store. This has posed a couple of challenges in their everyday life. It is something that they heavily rely on for their livelihoods, and to kind of have that stripped back, and then as well as the logistics of managing, staff expectations of not being able to provide them work. It just has a lot of like heavy weight attached to having to make all these changes. So the best thing that we've been able to do is just really empathize and be there for them and really find and source solutions for them. And in some cases, the solution is to hibernate and to not kind of go into marketing. But in a lot of other cases, it is actually to double down on online, which has been a space that of course we can assist in and we can help grow, and we can really, provide that value to them to make sure that as soon as those lockdown laws are lifted, then they can be front of mind right there and have a beautiful experience with the people coming in next.
Literally in the bar, filming, body blends, TikToks. Yeah, the coffee scrub actually smells freaking great. So yeah, it's the Sugar Glow, a sweet caramel affair. So that shows why it smells so good. It smells like caramel.
The next would be for those who are, it is a real opportunity for them when a lockdown hits, depending on what their product line is or what they sell. And it's also being there for them. This is a time for them where they can be of real service to, their certain niche that they're in. And so we want to help those people that say, do have loungewear, that do sell masks. That's something that we have also put a lot of priority in, which is making sure that they have an amazing time during this time. Even though it is quite uncertain, if it shows that their livelihood is going well in this time, we want to of course nurture that. Either way, our biggest priority has been either calling our clients or just messaging them with a whole bunch of different opportunities when it comes to their website or their content or their marketing. As long as we're being overly helpful, over communicative, and with the best intention to see them go well, then that's how our agency has been able to continue flourishing during this time. Overall, I would say that we are in lockdown now for another few weeks. As the next step for us, just really adapting to all the learnings that we're experiencing. Is it that we find that phone calls are better? We're going to do more of that. If we find that we need to spend even more time together as a team online, we're going to do that. So we're just really playing things by ear and keeping really positive and focused and writing things down and, just being proactive. And that's all we can do really. But I just wanted to, put my heart out there and say that I am with you guys, and that I hope that you are all okay, both Sydney, Melbourne, and of course all the other states that may be affected in some way. If you did like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and do comment down below if you guys have anything that you'd love to share when it comes to lockdown tips and tricks, or even if you want to explain how your business is doing in lockdown. We are always here, happy to help, always here of service. So if you're not subscribed yet and you're watching this video, do hit the subscribe button, because it really helps our channel, and it also helps you then see more videos from us in future. With saying that, we will see you in our next video. We're super excited to show you all the things that are coming up, like beyond excited. Stay tuned for those, and as always, have an amazing week, and I will see you next week. Bye.